Good morning. So today I was supposed to pop out my seed video of what I'm planting in January, February and March. The issue is I changed my mind on the seeds that I wanted to sow, especially the tomatoes, and I wanted to grow some weird things. So today I've just come over to grab some veg. I'm going to do a nice beef Wellington with some plot veg, with some nice homemade gravy. So I'm going to do that. Tomorrow I'm popping over, I'm going to sort out the compost area, move it all around, give this plot a good tidy, and yeah, so also stay tuned to the end because I'm going to pop a few drone shots of the plot and also how big the allotment area is. It goes right over the other side of the mountain. So yeah, so enjoy that, guys. Good morning. So today I've come over to sort out that problem on the bottom of the mess. The sky is grey, there's no rain forecast, so let's just get it done. Let's go. So as you can see, we've got some progress. I've moved the compost area from the one boundary fence to the other. I figured that'd become a bit of a windbreak in the winter, and also the sun points directly at that corner, so that should give us a bit extra heat in the summer as well, to burn off all those seeds. Yeah, I'm happy with it now, so we're getting there. We are getting there. Just like that, I've cleaned all the paths for free. So the battery for my Bosch pump was charged by my solar panels, and then the water was collected off the side of the greenhouse in a barrel, and I cleaned all my paths, so it was all done for free. Sometimes I need to just sit down, have a cup of coffee and reflect on all what I've done. I've had this plot for only 4 months now, just 4 months, and look at it now. It's a completely different plot from what it used to be. This. Crazy, right? So 4 months of hard labour, long days, and I finally, I've got a boundary fence, all the layout was done, all the beds, they've all been enriched with soil and compost, the buildings have been created, I built a whole big coop. Sometimes you just should, sit back and look around at your plot, because I think we spend so much time just working on our plot and just popping over and harvesting and shooting back off. I think it's a shame sometimes that we don't just actually sit down and enjoy our hard work and enjoy what we've done. So my only advice to you would be, like, from next year, spend some time, make an area in your plot where you can actually sit down and enjoy. So just a quick update. Remember those snow white strawberries that I potted up the other day? Well, look at them already. They're already looking lush and green. They've latched onto the roots, soaked up the water. I've noticed 2 here that are pushing out the soil, so I'll add a bit more compost in those today. And look, the sweet peas are coming up. These are the giant Spencers, sowed on the 20th of the 11th, and 3 weeks later they finally popped their heads. So if in doubt, just wait a little bit longer. Oh, and look, remember those tattered old cabbages that I had, the spring cabbages? Look at them now. What a brilliant idea, bringing them inside for some shelter. And look at the pak choi. How beautiful is that? As you can see, the plot is looking so much tidier now. It was starting to kill me, to be honest, because there was so much rubbish around. If we have any more bad weather over the winter, which I'm sure we will, at least now we won't be blowing around the plot. Everything's organised. The compost area's been moved, as you've seen. I need to go home. So I'll see you all again soon. Bye, guys.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be